Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need to know this up front. The iPhone 7 Plus cannot run Face ID because it lacks the true depth camera and infrared hardware. Once you confirm in settings right arrow Face ID and passcode that Face ID options are absent, stop trying to enroll a face. Instead, set a strong numeric or alphanumeric passcode now and make sure Touch ID is configured for fingerprint unlock. This saves time and secures your device while you plan a migration or alternative authentication method. Once your 7 Plus is secured with a robust passcode and Touch ID, consider how you will move to Face ID in the future. Back up to iCloud or iTunes so you can migrate settings and apps to a newer iPhone with true depth hardware. Make sure Auto Lock and Require Passcode immediately are turned on to reduce exposure. Also, use two-factor authentication on your Apple ID so that when you switch devices, your account remains protected and Face ID can be set up smoothly on the new phone. To finish, if you acquire a Face ID-capable iPhone, restore your backup and enroll Face ID during initial setup. Follow on-screen prompts slowly and rotate your head for full scans. Make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS. Software matters. If you remain on the iPhone 7 Plus, keep Touch ID calibrated and passcode immediate requirement active. Troubleshooting tip. When Face ID on a new phone fails, reset Face ID in settings and run the enrollment again. Often a second, careful scan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.